Hi Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisceans, welcome to my channel Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. Let's start with your reading right from 19th till 25th of July 2021. Okay, higher views will get separate readings and I'm going in shuffle. I do separate but it depends upon, so if you want more, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon definitely to get notified because something is happening on YouTube. I hope they will fix it. People are not getting notified. Big problem. Did I say follow me on Insta? Do it. SSHELLS Seychelles Running. There's what I'm hearing is twists and turns in the current situation or relationship. I literally saw like two fabrics getting folded side by side. It's like, and it's something connected with making it either more strong or intertwined, but twists and turns are happening in the current relationship. You have like three cards here, but first was Four of Swords. Now possible break is the reason. Someone is asking for space. Someone is not ready to confront something here. Someone is trying to approach someone and it's not happening. Look, Four of Wands energy. So this is about the connection. Someone is trying to reach the connection or a person. But I feel the person who is not ready is feeling like really intertwined with their own thoughts right now. They don't know what to do. Twists and turns are happening, which means that there is someone who is trying to convey that I'm going to be by your side, which means intertwining, like twin flames or kind of energy, which is like literally two fabrics and going like this, okay, side by side, that kind of energy. But with the Four of Swords energy, there is someone who's not ready, possible, yet to say something. Maybe they are trying to keep their things and even drama or SHIT to self because they want to deal. This may be your own energy. Many of you here, I feel you need healing, which means that you need to rest. You're not feeling that much energized in this time frame, and you really need to take care of yourself. Climate over there, wherever you are, is changing. There may be rainfalls happening. There may be some ache or pain in the body you may feel because of the weather change. I feel that way, okay? Second card is Eight of Cups energy. And this here, I feel like your overall energy is take rest, stay home, take rest. That's what is coming. But I also feel like something is giving you more trouble. There is one particular topic in your life right now which might be hindering your progress to say or speak something with your person or about anything. It's just about opening the window but yet not ready to clarify something with someone, or someone is unapproachable. Eight of Cups, possible you're trying to gather the energy to convey something to someone, or it's just that U-turn possible, not for everyone, but I also feel like it's time to take a break, and that's what people are doing it. You might be coming from this place, someone is feeling detached with you, or you are feeling. Third card, and you're now Magician, trying to follow up something or trying to bring everything in control or in order. This is also that you are trying again to bring things under control. You're working too much. You believe you can and you do, but you're working too much. That's why you need Four of Swords energy. You're trying to balance a lot of stuff in your life right now, which may be Two of Pentacles, possible professional, personal, possible someone or somewhere your presence is needed and you really need rest. Again, someone is unapproachable, or your decision is like unapproachable. Something that you really want to take or make, but it's not happening. Many of you been taking hard decisions here, walking away from a manipulator or someone who convinces you for not so right things like wrongdoings, and you have done it. I just remember this song, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Look, that kind of connection, really hard, but doing it. I heard the word player. Not right, some pattern, the devil, Capricorn energy, but apart from that, something that's not right. And still hoping to manifest something or to make things right with the person or this connection, is actually giving you more stress here. With the Four of Swords energy, I definitely feel that you need to cut the ties out or just take a break and think about what you're going to answer. This may be lure, this may be bounce back, this may be someone who is manipulating you and giving you that reason to think about it. Think about it, honey, kind of energy. Let's see in your future. There's this talk coming, definitely, after the pause, after the wait, about certain kind of discussion. Ace of Swords. I heard disagreement and I heard talk about disagreement, or you disagree and you're going to put that what I said, especially with the Four of Swords. You have some one topic here in your mind that is stressing you out, that you really need to clarify, but you also need rest a little bit so that you can talk with the person. It's about what came in, what went out. It's all about emotions. Page of Cups. There may be a Piscean or you Piscean dealing with something. There's also something that you made an offer. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisceans. You made this offer, but someone is unapproachable. Someone who never wanted to wait, but they made you, or you made them. Possible some of you want to initiate something after this, like lockdown, kind of like pandemic. Of course, that's just happening, but it's also something that you never heard from this person in last like 4 months straight. You never talked with this person straight, and now when you are knocking at the door, it's of course it's supposed to be closed, or goes vice versa. Someone who never claimed this possible in the recent past. So it's basically about twists and turns in your current connections or relationships here, or your work situations, however it fits. Why guards are up? Why someone is taking more time to answer me? Why? Because things happened here, honey. But in your future, there's going to be talk. Oh gosh, that's the flip. Someone doesn't approve of the things that you've said and done, or you don't. Look, these two cards came out, but the one card that came out is the Hanged Man, actually on the Magician. But it's also Six of Pentacles with the Devil Capricorn, but they are reversed. Someone over here doesn't want to give attention to, doesn't want to reciprocate, you or this person. It doesn't feel the same. Okay? I don't want to return. Who doesn't want to? I'm taking these cards out. It doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right to you or this person. The Magician. Someone is taking longer here. And I feel the wait, of course. So the way you want things possible, or the way they want, this is not happening in the now. No matter how well you know how to convince, or whatever reason someone is coming up with. It's like you don't know whether you say everything for an hour and they're still like not doing those things. Ace of Swords. I said so. There's going to be hidden heart. I don't know what they're trying to say. The Tower. There's going to be certain Ace of Swords, like beyond unexpected change in the current conversation pattern, relationship pattern. There's going to be waves. Okay, there's going to come here. An Aries possible. Someone will try to save and do anything to save this, because Tower is also building an illegal building that should fall, kind of. But whatever is crumbling here, trust matters, or this because of the decision, someone is going to be startled here. Someone is going to be startled with someone's decision, yours or theirs. You have four of wands energy again. And you have 2 of cups energy. And what did I say? It's like twists and turns in the relationship, but it's also someone who's trying to catch up with you, or you are. Too much. Something is too much for someone. 8 of swords energy. Don't stress yourself. I mean, you are doing it. I know. That's why your energy is 4 of swords. And this is union or reunion. Someone does want to reunite, kind of like they want to talk, they want to meet. And this energy is not giving me that light vibe of like, oh, let's hang around. No, this is something kind of like they know that what is going on now. They know and you know. Okay, whatever is changing in the current relationship here, someone is too much stressed and too much in head that it is happening, whatever is happening. And someone is feeling that I cannot control this falling. I cannot control this change in the relationship. 11:11 recording time. What I am supposed to do. I also see physical connections happening here, intertwining.